What's up, Mr. Greg?
I'm so glad y'all did this. I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Oh, you got some good video the other night?
Dude, it's amazing. I already looked at it. It looks so good. It's so much fun. Well, see, all these videos I can put into my VR headset.
Nice.
You can watch all of them with the 360.
Like you there, huh?
It's incredible, man.
Tell you what, with that VR headset, let's be honest.
It's a wide open opportunity, man. You can do anything with those
like
things.
The Wild West.
Oh, dude.
I might need to get one of those.
Anyone who uses a regular camera in the next 10 years, there will be a 360 function on all of them. You know?
That's a 360.
That's it. That's all it is, baby. The cool thing is, yeah, it's GoPro. I can just, whenever we get up there, I'm just gonna hook it on the railing and forget about it. You know?
There you go.
It just records, and so I don't have to worry about where it's pointing or anything. Hey guys. Hey. Woo.
Look at it. Look at it. There you go. That's just serious.
Oh yeah, dude. See, what's funny is that I've been coming up here since I was like old enough to start coming to these things. There's pictures of me whenever I'm little with my feet kicked up on the mayor's desk.
Music is drowning out here.
Yeah. How you doing?
Probably said anything about stairs.
I said Playboy. Oh my
Which would
God.
be fantastic.
Which would just be great.
Come on,
There he is.
Oh, that's my boy. Oh, what's up?
What's up? Ooh, yeah, them sunglasses out here are gonna be a good idea. Oh, hello, hello. Mwah. So good to see you.
Still picking it. Go ahead, man.
Ooh, how we doing?
Congratulations.
Yo, yo, yo. Ooh, here we go.
Mardi Gras. I told your brother he was the only hope around.
Look, I've been working on it for 20 years.
You're lucky you got it.
Shelly smiles.
Go ahead, you go ahead.
All right, y'all ready? Get off the way. There's no get off the way.
Yeah, I thought that's the whole thing. I'm gonna take over. Well, first of all, I'd like to welcome everybody to the balcony here in the city of Morgan City. This is the first time since I've been the mayor. Hephaestus shows up first. Usually I get them by they're a little toasted by 3:45, so it's good to see everybody sober. You know, we got a lot of familiar faces this year. Tony, come on up, Tony. This is our newest citizens yesterday. In tearful celebration, I went and bestowed him an honorary citizen. I put his little certificate on the wall. Talk to him about how it feels good to be a Morgan citizen.
You know, it's bringing back all the memories of when Mayor gave me that certificate, and I'm getting a little shaken up. It was.
I got a copy on.
You got a copy in there?
You need a key? I have a key for you.
No, give him a key. All right, there you go. There's your final thing. So anyway, I really enjoyed it. It's my last time being able to give a toast. Of course, I'm termed out, so make it a good one. Moose came out. He broke the record for Hephaestus for wearing the longest headgear over 2 hours at presentation. He had that headgear on the whole time. No break. I think he did a little dance with the other little guys, so that was pretty good. So with that being said, as a non-drinker, I hold a fist in the air and say hell to the captain.